are going to be doing another power flow. However, we're going to work on some flexibility in this as well. So you may need a yoga block, maybe even a yoga strap, maybe even some water as well, but we will start at the back of our mats to begin.
So coming to the back of your mat, we're going to raise the arms coming up. Inhaling, exhaling as the arms come down. 4 more times, up, inhale, exhale, down. 3 more, up, down. 2 more, up, exhale, down. Last one, up, down. From here, we're going to roll ourselves down each vertebrae here until we reach the mat. Coming to the mat or hands on a block, bending the knees, exhaling nose to knee. Inhaling, looking up. Exhaling, nose to knee. 4 more times, inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. From here, coming to a halfway lift. Exhaling, hands come back down to the mat. Walking out to a full plank. From here, we're going to bring our leg out. 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 And out. Holding. And then going through the vinyasa. Coming up. Exhaling. Back. 5 breaths here. Option to take those gaze points by looking at the toes, the shins, the knees, and the top of the thighs. From here, we're going to roll forward. Again, coming out, out, again, again, holding, going through the vinyasa, upward dog, exhaling, downward dog. Again, holding here. Option to just stay in this downward dog as is, maybe taking a gaze or point on the mat or back of the wall. And we can take those 5 gaze points, 4 or 5 gaze points we mentioned just a little while ago. 2 more breaths here. From here, rolling forward again, coming out. Right, left, hold. Down, upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. We'll do this one more time, taking these 5 breaths here first. Again, roll forward to that plank. Hitting those elbows, or trying to get as high as possible, holding there, going through. Exhaling, downward dog. Last time here with the 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, rolling forward to plank. Then coming down to the forearms, holding, going to the side, dropping the hips 4 times. Coming back to center, pushing back up, back to downward. Give me 4 more of those. Coming forward, down, hip, hip, 3, 4, hold, come back up, push back, 3, push back up, 4, last one. Pushing back to downward. Holding your breath or catching your breath, excuse me. 3 breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Straightening up the legs, bringing up the right leg, stacking it open, bringing it back, stacking it open, again bringing it back, stacking it open, before bringing it back into the chest, holding here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dropping, coming straight into pyramid. From here, bending into the front leg, making sure that the knee is aligned straight with the ankle. We're going to lift up. Coming up, 1, down, up, 2, down, 3, down, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, pivoting out, warrior 2, holding. 1, 2, 3. Dropping the arm, side angle. I'm really trying to twist. I'm really trying to bring our rib cage up and open towards the ceiling. From there, bringing the arm down, kicking the leg back, and going through your vinyasa. Back. 3 breaths here. 1, 2, last one, 3. From here, lifting the left leg, stacking it open, bringing it down. Again, stacking it open, bringing it down, open, and down. From here, again, bringing it into the chest, holding. 1, 2, really trying to get that knee up into the chest. 3, 4, 5, dropping that back leg, pivoting the back up, dropping the front leg, pivoting the back leg. 45, bringing ourselves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coming up, warrior 2, pivoting out, holding. 1, 2, 3. Dropping the hand, side angle. Again, we're really trying to turn those ribs up and out towards the ceiling. 1, 2,
4, 5. Dropping, bringing that foot back. Going through that vinyasa. Upward dog.
Back to downward. 5 breaths here. Excuse me, 3. 1, 2, 3. From here, you can look forward, bend. You can either hop or step.
Coming down to seated.
Rolling back, we're going to come into bridge. Tucking the hips, bringing them up. Rolling the shoulders under. Then we're going to drop, bringing the feet together. Up, out, in, and down. Give me 8 more. Up, out, down. Up, out, in, down. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Holding up, extending the right leg. From here, bringing it down. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it back up, dropping it down, readjusting, bringing the hips up high. Bringing the left leg up, drop, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dropping that down. Again, last 8, dropping, lifting, opening, closing again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dropping, rolling the shoulders out, bringing yourself up. Woo! Bringing yourself back, lifting the arms, exhaling, catching the feet, dropping the head, then inhaling, looking up.
Again, drop the head.
Inhale, look up.
3 more times. Dropping the head.
Inhale, look up.
Drop the head.
Inhale, look up.
Last one, dropping.
Inhale, look up.
From here, we're going to grab the right leg, exhaling as we bring the leg up, bending it into the chest, straightening it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Really making sure you're sitting up tall, not slouching. 6, really bringing yourself up. 7, 8. We're going to drop the hands, leaving the leg up. Dropping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dropping. Inhaling, exhaling, falling forward. Again, look up. Exhale down. 2. Exhale down. 3. Exhale down. 4. Last one, 5. Exhale down. From here, grabbing the left leg now. Exhaling. As you bring the leg up. Again, bending it into the chest. Extending. Sitting up tall. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. Again, dropping the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dropping. Last time, bringing the arms up. Exhaling. Forward fold. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. 2, 3, 4. Last one, 5. Rolling up slowly. Crossing the legs. Jumping forward and maybe jumping into the plank before going through the vinyasa. Meeting the downward. The last 5 breaths of the practice here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, you can certainly jump forward or step forward, bending, jumping, coming to seated. That was our quick little power class. Just wanted to give you guys something to, be able to run along with if you're just looking for a quick power up in the morning or power down in the evening, whatever you're looking for. I hope this video serves that purpose, but thank you so much for flowing with me, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much, guys. See you guys soon. Namaste.